Hey guys, today we are gonna be playing Monkey's ROM. J-Man Ken, J-Man Curly, hide and seek with these little two people. Come out. Come out, you stupid J-Man. Come out. Bad boy. Okay, so basically that dude's gonna be the J-Man. He looks horrifying. So basically what he's gonna do is he's gonna count to 20 and we're gonna go in the secret room in the pool area. So yeah, okay, count to 20 and you'll have to find us. Okay, come on, go. Okay. It's not really that easy. But yeah, okay. Come on. I'll be the seeker next. Okay. Follow me. If you clap our cheeks, you tagged us. He's coming. Oh, mommy. He missed. Oh my god. You gotta me. Nico. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Wait, if you hear the clap sound, that means you got me. Get away! You missed! Run, dude! Follow me! No! Run! Oh, okay. Round ended because I got hit. Okay, I got hit. Okay, next round. I think this time it's gonna be me, but I'll put a random face on. So, where did J-Man Kurt? Oh, yeah. Okay, let's go. I don't think I have the face, but I think I have another face. I have trusted user. Okay. If I don't have it, then I'll just use this.
I'm on.
Okay, I'll count to 20 and you guys hide in the secret room. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Ready or not, here I come. Okay, I know you guys are hiding around too. Okay, you're not in there. Oh, so you might have actually been in the thing. Okay. Okay. Coming. I'm a big dick. Who's on the swinging ball? Wait, give me a hint where you guys are. Oh, I hear you. I hear you. Spider-Man. You won't be able to find me. I can see you. I see you, bro. You were supposed to hide in the secret room. Are you stupid? Frick, how did I miss?
You couldn't get it.
Frick! Oh, you came out. Oh, I got you. If my thing touches you. Wait. Okay, you got tagged. Where's the other person? Where were you? Where were you? J-Man, the other J-Man. What? Okay. Okay.
Oh,
Next round it's gonna be him. It's him, Vu. Okay, let's go.
You wanna flash?
I'm taking off big fat J-Man Curly. Okay.
Wait.
Do you have any?
Because he looks horrifying.
Can you wait? Wait, how much money do you have in the shop? Bananas. How much do you have?
I have 830,004.
Oh, you can wait. I know what you can buy. It's somewhere around here. It's the face. Wait. You can use this?
Hey, no.
Or okay. Yeah, use that. Use that.
J-Man Curly.
And then put it buy it.
I don't have much. A lot. Okay.
Well, how do you get the face? How do you get the J-Man Curly face? Oh. Yeah, up here. You can use this. Can you buy that? Okay.
Okay.
Did it work? Okay. Okay.
10 hours for me to get it.
Come on. Put it on.
I think I gotta wait 10 hours.
No, you don't.
Let me see.
Bro.
I was just saying something. Hey, yo, why are you throwing money in my butt?
Okay.
Where's the thing?
Did you buy it?
I don't. Yeah, I did. But for some reason, it didn't pop up.
Oh, yeah, I saw that. Wait, we'll give you attention. We'll get the squeaking break thing to give you attention.
Oh, I got Milky. I got the milk in the face.
Okay, use the milk as a job application. We'll be scared of that.
I got J-Man Curly. I got milk.
Okay, count to 20 seconds, and then we'll go. Count. Okay. Okay, come on.
2, 3, 4, 5,
Stop squeezing it.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. What do you know? Here I come. I'm coming for you. Who wants to taste of my milk? Who wants to taste of my milk? Who wants to taste of my milk? I can see. I can sense that it's somewhere. I caught them! I caught them!
No, you didn't.
I got banana! I got banana! I got banana, dude! I'm clapping him! I'm clapping him!
Okay, I'm it. So I'm gonna count right here. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Bro, you're supposed to hide in the maze. You're supposed beside a maze thing. Go in there. Go. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Mom,
7,
can you do like a
8,
toilet?
9, 10,
Yeah.
11, 12, 13, 14, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Wait, is it gonna get V-Bucks in that room?
Well, you have some good hiding spots. It gets stuck. Okay. I'm coming. Wait, where are you? Yes! I got you! No! Okay, I got him. Now it's time for the person with banana mixed popcorn guy. It's your turn. Come out. Everybody come out.
Yo, I can't find a way out.
No, it's so easy. Just get. Wait, where are you?
I'm like somewhere near like their chest.
Oh, I'll stop. I'll save you. I'll save you. Come down. Come up here.
Hold on, what? I didn't know.
Going.
What the heck?
Wait, no. Do this. Wait. I feel something. Oh, no, that's just... And then come up here. Wait, how do you do that? Was there... I swear to God.
Cause I'm like, we can't get up here. Guys, look at something.
Oh. It was right there the whole entire time. Okay. So he's
Get through
it.
the wall.
We're gonna go back.
No, the popcorn mixed banana.
He's it.
Is it?
Count 20 seconds. Go, 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 go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay, you're it. Vu, you're it. Okay, let's go back up. This will be the last round for Vu. Okay, Vu, count to 20. All of us, come. You, count to 20. Count to 20. Count to 20. Okay.
One.
Okay. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 20.
I hear you getting closer. How's he doing? Where are you going, bro? You keep going the exact same way. Why are you going the exact same way, bro? Go the other way. Stupid. I think he sees us. That's creepy. That's creepy. You can't get us. I'll tell you his hint. It's where the chest is. It's where the chest is. It's where the chest is.
What?
It's where the chest is. Come on. Okay, I was just asking you when he gets up, finds us, we're gonna run. No! Not now! Wait, don't tag him! That wasn't fair!
What?
Don't, okay. Don't tag him, that wasn't fair.
What?
Wait, okay. Okay. Fine, you got him. Okay. So now it's my turn. I'm gonna count to 20.
Wait, where's the exit?
It's over here. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna count to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Come on. Coming! I got you. I got you. I knew you guys were hiding over there.
I don't know.
I know you guys are hiding. Okay, that was the last round. So yeah, everybody come back to the mirror. Okay. That's gonna be the end of the video. Bye guys. Everybody say bye. Bye guys.